To answer this question, we need to know the discriminant. So the discriminant looks like this: b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so 4 does not meet, does not. So it's supposed to be less than 0. So this is a discriminant that we need. So now, how do we find the discriminant? The discriminant comes from the formula for finding, for solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Now the formula that we use, it's where we get the discriminant from. Okay, so if you can see nicely, this is a discriminant here, and this is what we've said, less or equal to. So now, after getting this discriminant, let me write it here: b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So after you have identified or gotten your discriminant here, you get the two equations. So we have y is equal to 3x plus k, and y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 4. So now these two equations, equate them. You equate because y is equal to this and y is equal to this. So you can say x squared plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus k. If you want, you can start with this is equal to this, or this is equal to this, like I've written here. So now the next thing will just be to try and put it in standard form. So it will be x squared plus 4x minus 4 minus 3x minus k is equal to 0. Okay, so this one, it has come this side, it's minus x. K was positive, it's now negative. I guess you know what we've done here. So now at this stage, this is where you simplify a little bit. So this is what we are remaining with when we simplify. So 4x minus 3x is giving us x, and then minus 4 minus 1, we write it like that. I guess everybody who is watching this video knows that the quadratic equation, when it's in standard form, it looks like this. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. All right? So we have to identify from this our a. So our a is a1. So we know the number that is right here where power x is our a. So here, what number do we have here? It's a 1. For b, also here at this position, so b is what? Is also a 1. What about c? C is a negative 4 minus k. So that's our c, negative 4 minus k. So now, after getting this, we'll come back to our discriminant, this. That's the reason why we decided to come up with a discriminant, or to identify this discriminant. So this is what we have right here. This is the discriminant. So now we plug in the values. So what is our b? Our b is a 1 minus 4. What is our a? Our a is also a 1. Our c is negative 4 minus k less than a 0. So we can simplify. We have 1 minus 4 multiplied by negative 4 minus k is less than 0. So here we have 1 plus 16 plus 4k is less than 0. I've just multiplied negative by negative, it's positive. 4 times 4, 16. Negative by negative, it's positive. 4 times k, it's 4k. Less than 0, okay? So now here we have 17 plus 4k is less than 0. The next thing here will just be to group the like terms. So we have 4k less than 0 minus 17. Okay? So this 17 will cross the equal sign, it will be negative 17. Next will just be to divide by 4 throughout. To divide by 4 throughout so that we get the value of k. Remember the question wanted